बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, students. Today we will be learning about Unit 1 Supplementary, the envious neighbor. Envious means jealous. Okay. A Japanese folk tale, a wonderful lesson. Wonderful lesson give good moral. How should we live? The folk tale about the two neighbors and how their characters changed their lives. In olden days, there lived a honest man and his wife who had a pet dog, which they used to feed the fish and tidbits. It means a small pieces of tasty foods. Okay, students, let us go through the supplementary briefly. Okay, students, let's go through the supplementary. The envious neighbor, a Japanese folk tale. An honest man lived with his wife. They had a pet dog, which they used to feed with fishes and tidbits. Tidbit, it means a tasty snacks from their kitchen. One day, what happened when the couple went to work in their garden? Their dog stopped at a place and started to bark. Bark, bark means the sound, barking. When the couple dug the place, dug means in Tamil we say thondi edukkurdu. They found gold and silver pieces being buried in that place. They gathered the treasure and after giving alms to the poor. Alms means offering things to the poor people. Bought themselves rice fields and corn fields and become wealthy people. Their neighbors, who were a stingy old couple, stingy means ungenerous, okay, envied them and borrowed their dog to see if they could find any treasure like that old couple with the help of the dog. After that, they led the dog out into the garden. It walked along the garden without any barking for a long time. But at the last, the dog stopped at a certain spot. Certain means in a particular place, and began to sniff. They hastily dug the spot, but found only the dirt and nasty things in that place. Furious at being disappointed, the old couple killed the dog. Okay, who killed the dog? The old couple killed the dog. When the good old man came to know that his dog was buried at the roof of a pine tree, with a heavy heart he burned the incense. Incense means the sticks, udavati, incense, and adorned the grave with flowers. At that night, the dog appeared to him in his sleep and instructed him to cut down the pine tree where it was buried. See, make it into a mortar. You know what is mortar? What is the meaning of the word mortar? Mortar means a hard, strong bound in which the substance are crushed into powder. In olden days, people used the mortar to make the spices. Okay. He burned the incense. That night the dog appeared to him in his sleep and instructed him to cut down the pine tree where it was buried and make it into a mortar. So the old man did as he was told to do. But when he ground his rice in it, each grain of rice turned into some rich treasure. On seeing this, the old wicked couple borrowed the mortar also. But as soon as they used it, all their rice turned into a filth. Filth means dirt. So, in anger, they broke it and burnt it. They burned the mortar also. At that night, the dog appeared again to the good old man's dream. It told him to sprinkle the ashes of the burnt mortar on withered trees. What is the meaning of the word withered? It become dried and shriveled. The trees would receive and bloom with flowers. He obeyed the dog as instructed, bringing the dead trees to life. A certain prince utilized his power and gave him a rich reward. But the envious neighbors got trashing from the gods of the prince. When they tried to do the same act, finally, what happened? When the good couple heard of this, they sent for the neighbors and gave them a share of their own riches. After this, the wicked people mended their ways and led good and virtuous lives ever after. See, when the dog did not help the wicked man, he killed it. The wicked did a lot of misdeeds to the good old farmer. See, yet they forgave him and his wife and gave them a share of their own riches. Okay, students, hope you all would have understood this supplementary. If you have any doubts, clear it in Zoom meeting. Jazakallahu khairan kasira.